Looking for someone I could take with me. Blast off, I did hit like spaceship. Is it you, baby? Ooh, what it do? What it do, baby girl? What it do? Is it true? If you is, then I'm gon' rock with you. Can't keep getting blues. Yeah, I just want love, love, love. Yeah. Baby girl, she just wanna yeah, turned up.
Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Trinity is back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my evening routine, which is a follow-on from my morning routine. First, I'm going to splash my face with warm water. Then I'm going to apply the Sheshea Naturals Mint Cleanse Face Wash to my electric cleansing brush. Once I have applied the product to my cleansing brush, I will use the brush to evenly spread the product across my face. I will then wash the product off of my face with lukewarm water. I will then get a towel or a flannel and dab my face dry. As I said in my previous video, I do not rub my skin as this can damage the skin, but I just pat the skin dry, ensuring that it still stays hydrated and that it's not completely dry. I will then use the Mario Badescu toner. I will add the toner onto a cotton pad and I will dab the cotton pad over my face. Once doing this, I will then apply the Palmer's cocoa butter to my face. I will apply dots of the cocoa butter over my face and then I will rub it in evenly over my face. To finish my evening routine, I will use the Sheshea Naturals Sweet Citrus Lip Balm and apply it to my lips. And that, guys, is my evening routine. Thank you guys for watching, liking and subscribing. But Trinity is out.